Hi, welcome back to the second part of this teardown video of the Combat Creatures Attacknid. In this second video, I'm going to be showing you more about the legs, and I'm going to be taking it apart. You guys saw this in the first video, but I'm going to show you this in greater detail. The legs, the 6 legs come in 2 different pairs of 3. This first 3 legs are all in the same assembly, while the next 3 legs are in separate assemblies. Each of these 3 individual legs are identical except for one part where they join up. So this one is the bottom one, I suppose. This is the middle one. You can see how this joining ring is in the middle, and this one is the one on top. Of course, everything is upside down at the moment. Okay, you see right here, there's this letter B. This is actually to mark which of the positions are for the 3 leg assemblies on all 3 sides. So let's start with the 3 leg assembly. Each leg is held together with 6 screws, 3 on the upper joint and 3 on the lower joint. Some of them are hidden, so you may have to kind of look for them. Alright, let's kick this into time lapse so you don't have to see me screwing around. They come apart easily enough once you remove the screws. You can see here this swiveling mechanism with the fulcrum. It comes off with 2 nicely done pins. I wish this wasn't in black so you guys can see this clearer. There's a nice little additional fulcrum inside that does this swinging motion. So when the when the leg is being pulled upwards, the lower joint gets pulled inwards. Interestingly enough, this joint also has like a horizontal axis of movement, so it's actually a pretty articulate leg. So let's get on to those individual legs. I think they are all identical. I want to see if they are exactly the same as the 3 leg assembly, and immediately I found a slight difference. There's an additional screw on the lower joint, and doesn't seem to be any screws on the top bit. I can't see any reason why they wanted more strength in this part with the additional screw. So yeah, that bit's a bit of a mystery. So you guys can see that this individual leg assembly is pretty much the same design as the 3-leg assembly, with one exception. The swivel axis is actually on a different position. I have no idea why they've done it this way. So that's all I have for this teardown video of the legs of the robot. One last thing, you can see the difference between the 3-leg assembly on the top and the single leg assembly on the bottom.